Number 1. What are pollinators? Pollinators such as bees and hummingbirds get pollen from the male part of flowers and bring it to the female part of the same or different flower. This helps to bring fertilization of the flower and causes it to produce seeds, fruits, and then the next generation of plants. Number 2. How do they pollinate plants? Insects, for example bees, go to flowers for nectar to make honey. While doing so, pollen gets onto their fuzzy body. Then they go to other flowers and spread the pollen, pollinating the flower. This is a great example of how things in nature cooperate with each other, unknowingly. Another example of this is with apples and animals. When animals eat apples, they eat the edible things and the seeds. The seeds end up in their poo, or the dung, which helps spread the seeds. In summary, insects and hummingbirds pick up pollen from flowers while getting nectar, spread to other flowers, which pollinates the flowers, and then helps create the next generation of plants through pollination. Number 3. Finding some pollinators. To find pollinators, I decided to go to my local nature park. I ended up finding a lot of cool things, one of them being hummingbirds. In this video, I recorded a video of a rufous hummingbird I saw in the nature park. You can see it's around the middle. I've edited an arrow pointing to it. It's just sitting on the tree. Yeah. It doesn't seem to be doing much besides just sitting on the tree. The day was very hot, so they're sitting under the shade of the trees. Here's a video of a hummingbird feeding from the hummingbird feeder. A thing to notice is how the hummingbird wings flap very fast. You can't even see them flap individually. They're almost like a blur. Here's another video I took of a hummingbird. It's just sitting on the tree, again probably hiding from the heat. You can also hear a bunch of stuff around, like perhaps some birds, and also an airplane that happens to be passing by. Number 3.2, flowers. Pollinators pollinate, plants and flowers with pollen. So I went around the nature park and I found a bunch of flowers that seem to have pollen in them. Some of these might not have pollen. I don't really know much about flowers, but just take a look at all the flowers. And the next pollinator is bees. Now actually these bees, I actually didn't take them at the nature park. These bees are pollinating the flowers in my front yard. You can see there's actually quite a few bees here. I'm zooming in on one. And yeah, look, there's a lot of bees. They are eating the nectar inside of the flower. They're spreading the pollen to the other flowers, which pollinates it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!